All of you, happy Ramnavami. So today we will see revisiting irrational numbers. So topic of the real number, this is second exercise. So revisiting irrational number. Irrational number means it is not in the form of p by q. So let us see how to prove root 2 is irrational. How to prove, we'll see. So additionally 9 standard, rational and irrational. Rational means it is in the form of p by q. For example, 2, 3, 4, 6. These are rational numbers. They are asking irrational numbers. Irrational number means it is not in the form of p by q form. For example, root 2. Okay, it is irrational number. And root 5 is also irrational number. Root 3 irrational number. Okay. But they are asking root 2 is irrational number. You have to prove irrational number. See how. Okay. So right here, proof. So irrational number you have to prove rational number. Okay. So see, root 2 is, let root 2 be a rational number. Rational number. This is really rational. Okay na? So now we can prove rational prove. Okay, noted. So root 2 be a rational number. So all of this here, root 2 equal to a by b. Root 2 equal to a by b. It is a rational form. A by b is rational form. Okay, see. So a by b, b is divided. So this one take this side. This side means b into root 2 equal to a. Okay. And next one, b root 2 equal to a. Again squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So see, b root 2 whole square equal to a square. B square. So let us see here. Root 2 whole square is equal to what? How? Yes. For example, root 2 into root 2. Root into root 2? 2. Here into sign. Root square cancel is only 2. Okay. So here b square is there. So b square into root 2 whole square. Root square cancel, only 2 is there. So now b square into 2 equal to a square. Okay. So this 2 take the side. Here multiply sign means, that side means divide. Okay. So now b square equal to a square by what? 2. This is equation 1. So b square equal to a square by 2. 2 divides a square. Okay. 2 divide ke madta 2 en madta a square divide madta. Right? So see. For example, right here. So therefore 2 divides a square. 2 ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ a square divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾ. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ next. For example, 4 whole square equal to what? 16. And next one. Next one. 8 whole square equal to what? 64. 60 or take 6. 36. So 2 divides 4 square also. 2 divide and 4 square भी divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 2, right? And 16 ನು divide ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ and 2 6 ನು divide ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. 2 6 ಗೂ divide ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ 6 square. Next 36 also divide for 2. Other type 2 divides a square I think. Right? So 2 4 square we divide ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. So ಅದು divides 2 divides a square. Now to prove 2 divides a square. Next 2 divides 6 square. 2 6 square we divide ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ divide ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ divide ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 divides a square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ರೈಟ್? For example. Okay, that's all. So therefore 2 divides a. ರೈಟಾ? a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು a ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ರೈಟಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 divides a ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ರೈಟಾ? ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ 2 divides 4 square and 16. 2 divides 6 square and 36. So 2 divides both. So that's why 2 divides a square, 2 divides a. Okay. So see, this is equation 1. So next one, see, 2 is there. 2 divides what? 4. 2 divides what? 4 again. 2 divides 2 or not? 2 ones are 2. And next 2 divides 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 into 1. Better. 2 into 1 2. 2 into 2 4. 2 into 3 6. Okay. 2 into 4 8. 2 into 5 10. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದ. ರೈಟ್? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. ಸೊ 2 ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ರೈಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದ. ರೈಟಾ? 2 ಕಾಮನ್, ಕೀಪ್ ಆಸ್ 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ರೈಟಾ? ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಅವ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಒಂದು ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಅಂತ. ರೈಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಆಡಿ ಬಿ ಅದ, ಎ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ? ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಅವ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ಅವ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ರೈಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಅದ, 2c ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ? ಸೊ therefore 2 divides a means ನಾವು a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ a equal to 2c, a equal to 2c ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ರೈಟ್? a equal to 2c means this like 2 common. So 1 2 3 different integers. So 2c. So a equal to 2c. Right? So this is a value put in equation 1. Right? This theorem is not a problem. Theorem. So a equal to 2c. So 2c, a value is put in equation 1. Note. So see. So a value put in equation 1. This is equation 1.
B square is equals to A square.
Equation 1. B square equal to A square by 2. So that one right here. B square equal to A square by 2. Right? The A value
2C.
So a value 2c, 2c value put in here. A square is there. So now b square equal to a means what? 2c. 2c whole square is there because square is there here. A square is there. So the whole square by 2 right? So again b square equal to number 3 2c whole square. So to multiply 2c. 2c whole square means 2 to the 4 c square. Right? So here 4c whole square by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So now b square equal to 2c square. So this 2 equal to here multiplication means 2 coming this side means divide. Okay. So now b square by 2 equal to c square. So let us see here. 2 divides a square and 2 divides a. Here 2 divides b square right? Can I tell? Therefore 2 divides b square. 2 divides b square ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 2 divides b ಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ರೈಟಾ? 2 divides b. Okay, so 2 is what? 2 is common factor. Okay, so therefore number 2 is common factor. 2 is common factor, right? 2 is common factor. Next, 2 is common factor of AB, right? 2 is common factor of AB, common factor of A and B. Okay, 2 in the common factor. Okay, next, A and B are therefore A and B are composite numbers. Composite. A and B are composite numbers. Okay. Okay, see here, root 2 is irrational number, so let root 2 be rational number. Idu rational number illa, so another rational number imagination hogobekate, right? So converting rational number, root 2 equal to a by b, right? Adi you know how. So a by b, b is divided, so b take this side means root b into root 2 equal to a. Okay, so this one have to square on both sides. Square on both sides, b into root 2 whole square equal to a square. Then b square root square cancel, it is only 2. b square into 2 equal to a square. Then 2 here multiply sign means 2 take that side means divide. B square equal to a square by 2, that is equation 1. Okay, so 2 divides a square means 2 divides a also. Okay, I have find that 2 divides a square means 2 divides a also. So okay, next one. A equal to 2c. How to find 2c? How do you know? Okay, so a equal to 2c, then 2c value we put in equation 1. Okay, so a equal to 2c, a value put in equation 1, b square equal to a square by 2. So 2c, a in place of a you can write 2c whole square. 2c square means 2 to the power 4, 4 into c square, 4c square by 2, 2 1 are 2 2s are. Okay, so b square equal to 2c. Again 2 here multiplies means 2 take this side, b square by 2, b square by 2 equal to c square. Again same, 2 divides b square, 2 divides b square means 2 divides b also. Okay, see here. So therefore 2 is common factor of a and b. Okay, then next a and b are composite numbers. A and b are composite numbers. Let us see here, root 2 is a rational number. Root 2 is, you have to prove root 2 is a rational number. Where see here, b square by 2 equal to c square, b square by 2 equal to a square by 2. You have to already prove root 2 is rational number. Okay, but it contradict the fact root 2 is a rational number. Contradict means opposite, real fact. Okay, rational opposite irrational. So it is rational number, but it contradict means opposite, that is irrational number. Real fact is root 2 is irrational, not a rational. Okay, so therefore our supposition is wrong. ಇದು ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇದು ಪೂರ ಫುಲ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಅದ ಪೂರ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಸ್ ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ನಾವು ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಸ್ ಇರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, so this is root 2 is irrational number, we will see irrational numbers. So no doubt. So exercise 1.2, First question, prove that root 2 is irrational number. So let us see. Root 5 is a what? Irrational or rational? Root 5 is root 5 is rational number. You have to prove rational number. Okay. So see, root 5 equal to a by b, right? So again b take this side. So b root 5 equal to a. Okay. Again squaring on
Both sides.
both sides. Squaring on both sides. So now b root 5 whole square equal to a square. So now b square into 5 equal to a square. Root 5 cancel, root square cancel, that is b square into 5 equal to a square. So again b square equal to a square by 5. So therefore 5 divides is equation 1. 5 divides a square. 5 divides a square. 5 divides a square means 5 divides a also. Okay. 5 divides a also. Again next. So 5 divides 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5. Again 5 divides 10 also. Okay. Again 5 divides 15 also. So therefore 5 is common means 5. So it is integer means 5c. Okay. So that 5c, now a equal to 5c. Again a value put in equation 1. A value put in equation 1. Okay. So see, equation 1 is b square equal to a square by 5. So now b square equal to 5c whole square by 5. b square equal to 5c whole square means 25c square. 25c square by 5. 5 ones are 5 5 is 25. 5c square. So now bc square equal to 5c square. Again 5 take this side means divide. Here multiply sign. 5 equal divide. So now b square by 5 equal to c square. It is equation 2. Okay. Again what? 5 divides what? B square or 5 divides
B.
5 divides b. Okay. Again next. Same here. So therefore 5 is a common factor. 5 is a common factor in both equation of a and b. Okay. Again a and b are composite numbers. Okay. So root 5 is rational number. You have to prove here. Root 5 is rational number. Okay. But it contradicts the real fact. Root 5 is irrational, but it contradicts the fact root 5 is irrational. Our supposition is wrong. The prove is wrong. That really irrational. No, this is rational prove. That in the opposition, your supposition is wrong. So root 5 is what? Irrational number. Okay. So this is the exercise first question. Any doubts? Okay. The second bit, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. So let us see. How to prove irrational number? Proof. Let 3 plus 2 root 5 is what? Rational number. It is a rational 3 plus 2 root 5 convert in rational number. How? 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to what?
A by B.
A by B. So here 3 which sign here? Plus n. So plus 3 take the set.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. So 2 root 5 equal to A by B minus 3. Okay. A by B minus 3. A by B minus 3. Root 5 equal to A by B minus 3. So 2 root 5 equal to A by B minus 3. Okay. So minus 3 3 by what is the denominator here?
1.
1. Here different denominator means to cross multiply. Okay. So 2 root 5 equal to A minus 3B by B. Okay. 3B by
B.
B. Okay, see here. 2 root 5 equal to A minus 3B by B. The 2 answer is 2 in the middle side.
Multiplication.
So 2 take the side means
Divide.
divide. So 2 root 5 equal to A minus 3B by 2B. Okay. A and B are what? A and B are
Dash.
composite numbers or integers. Okay, see. So now root 5 equal to integer minus 3 into integer by 2 into integer. Okay. So therefore root 5 is integer in bracket, it is rational. Actually 9th standard, integer into integer, rational into integer, rational into rational, rational into irrational. Actually 9th standard. Okay. See here, root 5 equal to integer or rational. So you can write here root 5 is rational number. Root 5 is rational number. Root 5 is rational number, but it contradict. But it contradict what? But it contradict the fact what? The fact that root 5 is what?
Irrational.
Root 5 irrational. Okay. So therefore our supposition is wrong. Our supposition is wrong. Okay. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is what? 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. Irrational
Number.
So this is your answer. Okay. 3 plus 2 root 5 are called irrational number. Okay, this third bit, prove that the following are irrational. First one, 1 by root 2. How to prove? Irrational. So see here. 1 by root 2 is what? So proof. Let 1 by root 2 is rational number. Rational number. So now 1 by root 2 equal to what? A by 1 by root 2 is A by B. So again do cross. So B take this side by root 2 equal to A. Okay. Do cross. B take this side and root 2 take that side. So now B equal to A into root 2. Here A multiplies n. So A take this side means divide. Okay. So now B by A equal to root 2. So B by A is, so root 2 is B by A is rational number. Okay. So therefore, root 2 is a rational number, but it contradicts what? But it contradicts what? The fact that
Root 2 is irrational.
root 2 is irrational.
Our supposition is wrong.
So therefore, our supposition is wrong. So 1 by root 2 is irrational. So this is your answer. Okay. Any doubts? Okay. The second question. Where do we second question? Root 5. How to prove irrational? Okay. Let us see first. Proof. Let 7 root 5 is what? Rational number. Let 7 root 5 is rational number. So convert it rational number. How? 7 root 5 equal to what? A by B. Okay. Here 7 multiply sign. So 7 take the side means divide. So now root 5 equal to A by 7B. A by root 5 equal to A by 7B. Where are you? Okay. So it is rational number. So now root 5 equal to A by B. So let us see here. Root 5 equal to A is what? Integer. Next 7 into integer. Okay. So again same, root 5 is what? Root 5 is rational number. Rational number. Again, but it contradicts. But it contradicts the fact that root 5 is what? Irrational number. Root 5 is irrational number. So therefore, our supposition is wrong. So therefore, 7 root 5 is irrational. So this is your answer. Okay. Okay, it is third question. 6 plus root 5. Prove that irrational number. Let us see here. Proof. So let 6 plus root 2 is what? Rational number. Okay. 6 plus 2 root equal to A by B. So here 6 plus sign here. So this 6 take that side means minus. So now root 2 equal to A by B minus 6. Again, what is denominator here? 6 denominator is 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ denominator 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ, right? So again do cross. So now root 2 equal to A minus 6B by B. Okay. So next root 2 equal to integer minus 6 into integers by integers. So again root 2 is what? So therefore root 2 is rational number. Root 2 is rational number. Next, but it contradicts
the fact that
that
Root 2 is rational.
root 2 is
Irrational number.
Irrational number.
Our
Our
supposition is wrong.
supposition is wrong.
So therefore our supposition is wrong.
6 plus root 2 is
Our
irrational.
supposition is wrong.
Therefore,
So therefore 6 plus root 2 is
Irrational.
irrational number. Okay. So this is third bit. Third question, 6 plus root 2. Now to prove irrational number. So this is the real number. Last exercise, third bit, third question. So this chapter is end. So now next tomorrow we'll see next chapter, that is
Polynomial.
polynomials. So see you tomorrow. Bye.